Hello, everyone. So excited to tell you about the Digital Wealth Academy with Master Resale Rights opportunity. I can guarantee you've never seen anything like this yet. It's a very unique opportunity that not only teaches you everything from A to Z about the digital marketing space, but also grants you complete ownership, personal branding, and 100% profits. So, with that being said, let's jump right into it. I'm going to quickly go over what we are going to cover in this presentation today. I'm going to go over some industry stats, digital product benefits, what the Digital Wealth Academy is, what Master Resale Rights is and how it works, plus how you can completely bypass the creation process, yet still make 100% profits and have full rights and ownership over the product itself. The reason why the digital industry is growing at such a rapid rate is simply because people see the potential in a business model like this one and what it has to offer in terms of time freedom, location freedom, and people are just switching from being a consumer on social media platforms to a creator. The best part about it all is that it's everyday people like you and me who are growing rapidly in the digital marketing space. You don't need any special degrees, a previous social media presence, or even a high following to be successful in the digital marketing world. Just to give you an understanding of what the benefits are of digital products, they are completely evergreen, which means you can create them one time and sell it as many times as you want, and it's always 100% profit. With that being said, you're not promoting someone else's company, you're promoting your own product. Therefore, you are earning 100% profit every time. The other huge benefit to this is the fact that creating digital products is an extremely low cost, if anything at all. You get immediate payouts sent directly to your bank every single sale. So the product is sent directly from you to the customer. The most exciting part about digital products and courses is that you can brand them completely to your liking and have it fit into whatever niche you decide or direction you want to go. So now let's talk a little bit about what the Digital Wealth Academy offers, what Master Resale Rights is, and how it works. DWA is a full-blown digital marketing course that will teach you how to start a digital marketing business from A to Z. It's super beginner friendly and you don't need to be very tech savvy to get this going. You will learn email marketing, affiliate marketing, how to create your own digital products, automations to have a business running while you're literally sleeping, branding, and so on. In the next couple slides, I'm going to show you a little sneak peek of what DWA includes and some of the high income skill sets that you will be learning once you get this started. Now, in terms of master resale rights, this is a type of license that grants the holder the authority to sell a product and pass on the resale rights to the buyers. This means not only will you be able to sell the product to others, but you can also give them the rights to sell it to their customers. Essentially, it allows the purchaser to resell this product with the same rights that they acquired it with. This is why I said I guarantee you've never seen or heard anything like this before. This is a valuable opportunity for entrepreneurs and marketers looking to expand their product offerings or create additional revenue streams. Plus, it's great for people who are beginners in the digital marketing industry. Not only will you learn from the value of what's in the course and what the course provides, but it also becomes your very first digital product for you to resell for 100% profit if you choose to. You can download the videos on your own device and you have complete control over this course, plus have access to it for the rest of your life because of the fact that you own it outright. It can never be taken away from you as long as you follow the distribution rights. This allows you to have complete control within your business. Another amazing perk is that you can brand yourself completely different than anyone else who is reselling this course. You can have 10 people reselling the same course, but no one would have any idea because your sales process, your funnel, and your website will look completely different from anyone else's. This course will teach you how to do that, plus teach you how to have your whole business set up on autopilot. When it comes to sales, for every sale you make, your customer will pay you directly. The creators of this program do not get a dime when you resell it, as the product is 100% yours. This is how true master resale rights works, and that's why we've applied MRR to the course itself. Once you purchase the course, you're able to resell it as many times as you'd like. So for example, when you make your first sale, you've just made your investment you spent on this course back. Now, let's just say you resell it to 5 people. That equals $2,485 profit in your pocket. So step by step, this is how this is going to work. Step 1, after you purchase the Digital Wealth Academy course, you will have access to the training throughout the school platform. There's also a community that comes attached in the same platform where you will have ongoing support throughout your whole entire entrepreneurial journey. And if you resell the course, your customers will also have access into the community and support group as well. Step 2, you are going to learn the high income skill sets taught within the training. There are video instructions for every module, which makes it super simple to follow along, even if you are a beginner and not that tech savvy. And a friendly reminder, this is your own business. We make no commissions or profits when you resell this course. And it's also completely up to you if you want to resell the course in the first place. It's all under your control. If you just want to take the course to learn how to implement these things into your current business that you have, or if you want to create a completely new business from scratch, then that is highly encouraged and what the course is meant to do. The Master Resale Rights is just a bonus. Now let's take a little sneak peek of what's inside the Digital Wealth Academy and what the course modules include. All right, so welcome inside the Digital Wealth Academy. This is held on the school platform, and this is where you're going to get access to the community, the modules, trainings, and so much more. Now, the very homepage brings you to the community page. This is where you're going to see all the postings of anybody who either needs help in the community, testimonials that they'll be dropping, Instagram handles, etc. You can kind of browse through them all here. These are the topics that we have. We have a complete section for anybody who speaks Spanish, as the course is also fully in Spanish as well, and a section for anybody who speaks French to communicate in terms of help, testimonials, so on and so forth. General discussion area, an introduction where you can introduce yourself once you have joined into the community, Instagram handles if you want to drop them so we can all support and follow, if you need help, testimonials, etc. All right. Now going to the classroom tab, this is where you're going to find all of the modules to start your training. You're going to start here, and this is where you're going to find how to use the school platform, adjusting your experience, where you start, and more recordings down here for you to use for your funnels as well. Going back to the classroom tab, you're going to continue on to the intro to digital marketing, master resale rights. This is where you're going to find all of the distribution rights to the products, terms and conditions, privacy policy, etc. And then you're just going to continue on learning how to set up your systems. We do have an edible funnel template for you guys to use. Email marketing, content strategies, passion building, business tools, affiliate marketing. And this one right here is another MRR product that we included inside the Digital Wealth Academy for you guys to resell for 100% profit. You'll also see that we have a Spanish module and a French module as well. Now going up to the calendar tab, this is where you are going to find any of the calls that are going to be happening throughout the week. So Q&A calls, funnel calls, we have calls in Spanish, calls in French. And when you click on them on that date, they're going to let you know the Zoom ID to be able to join. Plus, if you go back to the community tab, you're going to see right here when the next call is happening. So it reminds you how many hours before so that you don't miss it. Scrolling down right here on the side for the Digital Wealth Academy, you'll notice we have 1,400 members in under 30 days, which is absolutely insane. And it's constantly growing at such a rapid rate. That's a little sneak preview and breakdown of what's inside the Digital Wealth Academy and how you can start building your digital products through our trainings, or you can choose to resell this one for 100% profit. But either way, I'm so excited to have you guys and welcome you in here. I'm sure you guys are all wondering how to get started. So you can get back to the person who you requested this video from, and they can help you answer any further questions that you have from there. In terms of the price, it is a $497 one-time fee. There are never any upsells. And the best part about that is the course is constantly expanding, and we are always adding new modules, new training, and new value as the industry grows so that you have the best of the best when it comes to the value that you're learning in the digital marketing world. There are no monthly fees, and only other costs associated are your domain and your email. That's roughly anywhere between $7 to $12. Last but not least, here are the distribution rates of this course. I'm so excited for you guys to get started, and I know that you are going to flourish and grow in your digital marketing journey here in the Digital Wealth Academy.